2015 to 2019 Nissan Versa USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2019 Nissan Versa. I'm going to be replacing this port right here. The tool you want to get is this plastic interior pry bar tool, so it won't scratch any of your panels. Maybe a small flathead if you might need it, but it's optional. Take your plastic pry bar tool, and you're going to go in from either the left or the right side and try to get in between the USB port and the center console panel. Once it pops out on either the left or right, kind of work your way around. It should pop out. When it comes out enough, you could gently grab it and pull it forward. And then we're going to have two connectors here, a gray connector and a black connector. They have plastic thumb tabs in the middle. You push the thumb tab and then you pull the connector backwards. Don't pull by the wires or else you'll break the wires. Get the black one off. Black one's a little harder. Do not let the wire harnesses fall back into the center console or else you're going to have to get some kind of something to get them out. I put my tool right here to hold them out. And then here's the USB port right here. They sell these on Amazon. I will link them below, the ones available on Amazon. I'll try to do an aftermarket and OEM one. But yeah, once you get your new one, we're going to take this and just plug it in, and it's basically a reverse of what we did. So first, you can plug in either the black or the gray connector. The black one's a little harder because it has like a connector within a connector. But make sure you push it in fully right here, and then we're going to get the gray connector in. And then we'll go ahead and get our gray connector in. Just be patient on this part. Don't like try to rush and just rip them by the wires. It's kind of annoying to get these in sometimes, but once you get these in, you're pretty much done. You're just going to push this USB port, make sure it's the proper orientation, and then just push it right in, and that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Auxito.com promo code. Now Auxito has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Auxito headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.